Burnt out. Why is this known to be such a widespread symptom of being a creator? Burnout occurs when the reward for whatever we do is not equal or more than the effort we have to put in. Fast forward to you, the hardworking creator, underpaid, trying to stay relevant, and doing anything you can to beat the algorithm. This is social media's biggest bug, and in this series, we plan to squash it. Hey, I'm Sarah with Retrieve, and welcome to our new monetization strategy series. I am actually a creator myself here on YouTube, and I am super excited for this series because I can personally relate to all of these pain points, and the main one being monetization. How do I get more money from all of this hard work that I put into my content? The team here at Retrieve truly believes that creators are our future, and we believe that we need to change the trajectory of the creator economy because, let's be honest, it's kind of broken. Creators need to earn what they deserve, and there needs to be a better way. There needs to be a better system, and that's what we're gonna do through this series. We're gonna get to know you. What kind of creator are you? What's your niche? What social platforms do you use the most often? And so much more to be able to diagnose your personal specific monetization strategy. We wanna cater to you, the creative entrepreneur, and show you that there are many ways that you have yet to discover to monetize your content. In other words, there's hope for you. There's hope for us as creators to be able to sustainably grow our businesses without burnout. So if you're a creator who wants to earn more, stick around for our next video in this series.